Alrighty, so I have the machine open here, just so I could kind of show you some of the work we did. This is the new pump. Your old pump is actually over here, as you can see, much older, descaled, but you know, scale could of course be trapped up in there. So you have the new pump here. Pretty much everything that I did to resolve that issue with the noise was that from the start, this is where your water tank goes in, or of course if you plumb it in, it'll be on the other side. This entire hose, both connections, so you can kind of see a little bit of the descaling because I soaked the entire connector. In through here, up through here, this entire tubing, all of this piping from here all the way till up here. And then of course, this is your route for the steam boiler, to refill your steam boiler. But say you're brewing, you have this pipe that runs all the way through and goes into your heat exchanger. All of that, this entire pipe, all of this was removed, descaled separately, put back together, and that seems to resolve a lot of the noise. So like, I'm gonna leave this here, but I am gonna activate the switch to activate the pump, and you're gonna just hear it. As you can see, really silent. Brewing, I can adjust the pump, but it's at 8 bars right now. Completely silent. No noises whatsoever. There is a really tiny crackling. I think it just might be a little bit in the pump still. Filled up that whole cup though. Okay, so we're gonna just leave that there because we're gonna test the steaming side. So let me just make sure there's more water in here. Let me get some more water real quick. Alrighty, more water's in. So now the reason why I mentioned there might be a pipe, which if you could see here, if I zoomed in, that might be the reason why it still rattles a tiny bit when I refill the steam boiler, because this entire pipe, all of this has been descaled, but you can still see that connector and the scale that's coming out of it. So before I send this machine off, I will be resolving that. And hopefully that makes it more silent, but either way, if I were to refill the steam boiler by pushing hot water out, still silent. There is that little tiny crackling though. But even that compared to, you know, how it was before is much, much better. I just think it's that connector. That tiny crackling. But yeah, so I'm really happy with the results. I hope you are too. I would recommend, again, keep this new pump. I will adjust it a little higher to 8.5. That's what ECM usually sets their pumps to. But yeah, I hope you are happy with this repair.